Digital accessibility is important for students with disabilities in almost all courses at UCLA. Many courses at UCLA leverage the Brew and Learn environment to host forums, documents, videos, and assignments. Most of the content native to the LMS is accessible, but some documents and web pages need a little work to make it fully accessible to all of our students. Digital accessibility is designing and developing digital material that is able to be used by all people, including disabled individuals using assistive technologies. Assistive technology used by people with disabilities includes screen readers for the low vision and blind, tab-friendly navigation for people without hands who may have carpal tunnel, optical character recognized text. This is really important when you think about a PDF that doesn't have a searchable text or doesn't have highlightable text. That means it's a flat PDF, and those with dyslexia or who use screen readers cannot use those PDFs. And there's also speech-to-text software, which really helps people who have vision disabilities, learning disabilities, and mobility disabilities. Although the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 extended many of the same civil rights to disabled individuals as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 extended to other minority groups, the ADA did not directly address digital spaces. In the spring of 2024, the DOJ updated the ADA to include specific digital accessibility guidance and standards. The standard as described by the ADA is the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.1 AA. The expectation is that UCLA and all public universities adopt and implement this standard by April 2026.
A few examples of best practices for digital accessibility include using heading structures in documents and course pages, making hyperlinks clear and descriptive, and adding alt text to images. For videos, review captions and edit them as needed. Here are a few additional examples of digital accessibility in education. Many of these are automatically built into your LMS, Brew and Learn.
In Brew and Learn, you have a built-in tool called Ally that automatically checks uploaded documents and provides guidance on how to improve the accessibility of your course content. It uses visual accessibility indicators for uploaded documents and provides instructors and course designers with information about how to improve the accessibility of the document. Ally also provides students an opportunity to download course materials in alternative formats like tagged PDFs, HTML, audio, and electronic braille. There's also an accessibility checker built into Brew and Learn's rich content editor that can detect common accessibility issues and walk you through fixing them in real time.
We can think about this call to action for instructors as three main parts. First, start to learn more about digital accessibility. Engage with resources and training available on campus. While many of the steps to digital accessibility are relatively simple, there's a learning curve and it takes time to practice. Second, check the accessibility of existing course materials and make updates where needed. Remove old or duplicate files. The UCLA Library is a great partner to help you identify the most accessible versions of course readings. And lastly, continue to apply these principles each time you create something new for your course. Continue learning and reach out for help when needed. Visit the Teaching and Learning Center's website to learn more and access resources and training.
According to the UCLA Center for Accessible Education, our Disabilities Accommodations Office, around 10 to 16% of our entire student population is disabled. And with small changes in how you design documents and web pages, we can raise the bar for accessibility and build a more inclusive learning environment for all students.